Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. We're going to be talking about credit card mistakes that could be destroying your credit score and things you should not be doing, right? So number one on that list is credit card utilization. Now, I see a lot of people out there. I speak to people. I do calls. I do FaceTime calls with different clients, and people are telling me they got credit utilization at 30%, 40%, 50%, 80%, and even over 100%. I mean, this has got to be ridiculous. There's no reason why we got our credit utilization so high. So even if you're supposed to have a 720, 730, 740, or even a 750 credit score, you're destroying this score by having a high credit utilization. The reason is that people are getting low in funds. They're not getting a part-time job. They're not doing a side hustle. And what happened is they're running to their wallets and they're doing all these different purchases with that credit card. And as you're making these purchases back to back every day, that credit utilization is going higher and higher. So this is something you want to stay away from. Now, people always say when I show screenshots of my actually credit report, my credit utilization, I keep my credit utilization on the personal side to have that credit utilization in the single digits, under 10% at all times. People, should be no excuse. You shouldn't be having it at 20%, 25%. I don't care what people saying, have it under 30%. Please, that will affect you when it's time to go get personal loans, line of credits, auto loans. This will affect your credit utilization. This will affect your interest rate when you're trying to get certain loans. I wanted to bring that to you so you can have a good understanding about credit utilization and having it high. Keep it low, people. Single digits. For me, I keep it at 0% because we all know I keep my debt on the business side and I keep my personal side super clean, right? So number two on that list is going to be late payments. People, listen to me clearly. I've been going through this a lot with people I'm on the phone, I'm doing calls with. People are getting late payments. There's no reason why we're getting late payments in 2025 and 2026. If you have an auto loan, if you have a mortgage, if you have credit cards, these things should be on auto pay. You should not be letting late payments hit on an auto loan, because once that hits your credit report, your score could tank anywhere from 50 to 100 points. So people, this is something that you need to think about and you really need to take serious, because these late payments are destroying your credit score, people. Everything else might be good, but these issues is destroying your credit score. Number three on the list is going out there and applying for too many credit cards in a short period of time. Now, I recently did a call with somebody within the last 6 months, applied for over 9 credit cards. People, you are looking thirsty, and banks do not want to approve you for credit cards when you're out there looking thirsty and you're applying for so many credit cards. Please, let's take a break. Let's reset the program and let's start thinking this clear and stop applying for so many credit cards in a short period of time, right? So that's pretty simple and easy. Let's move on to number 4. Now we need to talk about people closing old credit cards. So now somebody might have a credit card that's from 8 years ago, right? And just because they're paying an annual fee, which I already told you how to get around that, so you don't pay annual fees. A lot of these beginning cards I had at the beginning of my journey, probably had about 3-4 of them. I am not paying annual fees on none of them. Go back on the video if you want to know how you do this. And they're going and they're closing these old ones because it might be a credit one, right? Where they have high interest, they got that annual fee, or it might be like a Mission Lane or First Premier where they got, again, these high annual fees, and they just want to get rid of it because now they're in a phase. They got these American Express, they have Chase, they have all these great cards, and they want to get rid of these old ones because they might think this is the bottom of the barrel credit card. No, those are the most important because they have a lot of age on it. So let's say, for instance, My Mission Lane credit card, right? To me, that's a garbage credit card. But I will never get rid of it because that Mission Lane credit card got about 9 years credit history and I will never get rid of it. Now, did I have an annual fee for a lot of years, for like 3, 4, 5 years? Yes. But for the past 4 years, I haven't had any annual fees, right? I already showed you what you need to do. I don't want to take your time on this video and show you what you need to do to get around paying those annual fees. But that credit card, even though it get high interest, I don't use it because I use mostly business credit cards, but I keep it because when the banks open up and see a 9-year credit card, that looks great for when it's time to get approvals. So again, people, I just wanted to bring you these 4 things that might be destroying your credit score. You got to really step back and start think about what you're doing for your future. So again, these late payments, credit utilization, closing accounts, and applying for so many credit cards in a short period of time, we have to stop that, people. I want to see everybody win, and I want to see everybody go to the top. Again, always remember, I always leave y'all with this. If you want to fix that bad credit, go right over to my website, download your free ebook. Got the credit repair letters in it, check system, late payments, inquiries. They have everything in there. And if you want to build your business credit, I have the business ebook as well, so you can start doing the steps and start growing your business, getting those high limit business credit cards. Again, people, I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top, but it starts with you and it starts with your mindset. Stop being lazy and let's do the work. Peace.